welcome to the first official vlog in my new apartment. So I've officially been here for a few weeks and I've been loving it so far. Thankfully, I am no longer living out of boxes. I'm gonna finally show you guys what my apartment looks like with all the furniture and everything. But before I start the vlog, I do just want to give a big thank you to the sponsor of this video, and that is SeatGeek. It is such a pleasure to be working with them again. You guys know I love concerts, and in this vlog, I actually talk about the Big Time Rush concert that I go to. Since this is me from the future, let me just tell you, it was an incredible night. And I'm already trying to figure out what my next concert is going to be, and that's where SeatGeek comes in. With over 28 million downloads, SeatGeek is the #1 rated ticketing app. There are more than 70,000 events every single day on SeatGeek, such as concerts, sporting events, live shows, comedy shows, etc. And not to mention, there are so many artists on tour right now, like Taylor Swift, the Jonas Brothers, Beyonce, and more. SeatGeek is so nice because they put all of the tickets in one place to make sure you are getting the best deal. Each ticket is rated on a scale of 1 to 10, so look for the dots. Green means good and red means bad. And every single ticket is backed by their buyer guarantee. And SeatGeek is the only site that lets you return your tickets ahead of time with swaps. And you know I came through for you guys, so you can use my code Emily to save $20 off your purchase at SeatGeek. Again, that is $20 off your first purchase with promo code Emily. I'll have a link in the description box down below. A huge thank you to SeatGeek for sponsoring this video. Now let's get into the fun little vlog. Welcome to my new room. It is just so bright and airy, but I am about to go over to my old apartment for the very last time. I have a few things that I need to grab in there, and I just need to make sure it's clean. I think I need to like Swiffer the kitchen and living room area, and then I have to turn in my keys today because it's the very last day. I don't think I'm gonna be super sad turning in my keys, but like, I don't know, it's a big deal. Back in the old place. Pretty much everything is gone. There's kind of a little bit of an echo. I just found a roach over there. I'm gonna leave him. So this is what I have to do now, is take all of this stuff back to my car. And then I'm going to deep clean the kitchen and like the entry area. And that'll be it, I think. It is the time you have all been waiting for, and it is for my apartment tour. Now, my apartment is in no way like ready or in good shape. If you look around me, literally it's a mess everywhere. I kind of just turned on the camera. I didn't really clean it for you guys. I kind of do want you guys to see it in like its true raw fashion, where it is kind of messy, because it'll make the apartment tour reveal like much more of a bigger deal. So yeah, let me show you guys around. So when you walk into the apartment, this is my kitchen. It's my favorite place to be. It's just so beautiful. My sweet friend Michaela got me these flowers. They are dying a little bit, but they are so gorgeous. And then right next to them, I have a pumpkin candle. So here is my fridge. I just have my little to-do list, so ignore that. But I wanted to start putting up Polaroids on my fridge. So that's Libby, that's Jax. Of course, I had to put them up first, but that's my first sunset in the apartment. That's me and my friend Jess, who I think we look like twins in this photo, but that was just moving day. She helped me with everything. That's my friend Michaela when she brought me the flowers, and that's my very first hot girl walk. And then if you come over here, so I have to take all of these boxes to the recycling bin, but this is my little living room. Yeah, this is where it gets a little tricky. This was my entryway table, but it would not fit in this entryway. So I'm gonna put it there for now and maybe just make it like a little desk, decor, something. I don't know. Right now, this is just like a storage area. And then over here is my desk area. I would love to turn this into like a cute little filming setup, you know, with the clothing rack. But again, for now, it's just storage, essentially. Next, we go into my room, which is absolutely a mess, but we're going to ignore that. I'm trying to look for an outfit. I have this cute little fun thing tomorrow, so that's what all of this stuff is. Yeah, I have this big mirror so I can do all my fit checks. I'm like halfway done unloading all my clothes in there. And then I have my vanity over here. I definitely am gonna need some wall art or something. I don't know. Here's my closet. It is literally filled to the brim with clothes. Definitely I'm gonna have to do a huge closet clean out. And then my bathroom is beautiful. It's the same sparkly marble, which I love. The shower is gorgeous. I love the shower so far. Everything works great. Like, it's just great. I just got to Epcot actually, and I am here to do a little shopping because Food and Wine is coming up this week and I don't have an outfit. I really just kind of forgot about Food and Wine, honestly, and I really didn't have much inspo. So the super basic idea to me, the first thing that popped in my head was to do a Remy from Ratatouille Disney Bound, which would be super easy, super simple, and I think it'd be pretty cute because it kind of is Remy's festival, Remy and Emil's festival. But in order to do a Remy Disney Bound, I have to get the Remy ears and hopefully the little Remy like shoulder pal, or just a bunch of little Remy things, because I have a gray top and a pink skirt, but I don't have anything that's like actually Remy. I'm back and I'm sweatier than I last saw you, but it's time for a little haul because I did in fact find everything I was looking for and more, which is a great thing, but not the best thing for my wallet. So I did end up finding the Remy ears. They're Remy's Ratatouille Adventure ears, which, I mean, I guess you could cut this off if you wanted just like straight up rat ears, but I don't know, I kind of like it. I like the chef hat. It's a rat girl summer, so perfect. And then I also found a little Remy, and I just think he is so adorable. But I didn't realize Remy's more light blue than he is gray. So I'm gonna have to put on my outfit and see if the gray clashes with the light blue or like if it works. I got some jewelry because I saw this necklace yesterday and I just had to have it. This is just the cutest necklace I've ever seen. I feel like it's just me. And then I also saw this necklace, which is just as cute. Lastly, I got this little necklace. It is a Mickey, little silver Mickey, and that's because I'm literally wearing this necklace, but it has an E today, and I really wanted to wear a Remy, like a Remy necklace for my Remy outfit, but they really didn't have many Remy things. Like, there's no Remy jewelry, but we did good. We got everything we needed, and I think I was in and out of there. It took me exactly an hour, which is perfect. And it's so beautiful today. Like, the sunset and everything is so beautiful. Today is a very exciting day for two reasons. Number one, tonight I have this exciting little, okay, it's not an event. It's just essentially a few of my friends are throwing this thing called Generations. And essentially it's just a themed night that's based on my generation and like kind of our generations of when we were younger. So think Disney Channel, Nickelodeon, the 90s, early 2000s, that kind of vibe. And so tonight is the very first night of that. But before we do any of that, I have to go to Publix because I have a little feature in a magazine called J14 that I'm so excited about. Technically it's for their September issue, but I didn't realize like their September issue came out in July. So I've been looking at Publix like every single day, like waiting for this specific issue, and I finally saw it the other day. So we're gonna go to Publix and we're gonna go look for the magazine. It's called J14. I loved like reading all about my favorite stars and like cutting out their posters and putting them on my wall. So we're gonna go to Publix because they do carry J14 and see if my issue is there. Hopefully it's there. Okay, so I'm back home from seeing myself in a magazine. It's pretty cool. Where did I put it? Oh. I want to like go through the magazine with you guys. I'll like show you the little feature. I also got yarn for my food and wine outfit because last minute I thought it'd be cute to add yarn. Like, I'm thinking I'm gonna do pigtails and then wrap yarn around it. But yeah, this is the magazine I'm in. So this is J14. I think it's so crazy that like I'm in a magazine that like Olivia Rodrigo is on the cover of. Also, Taylor, Jenna, and Niall are pretty cool too. But like, I just feel like Olivia is, she's younger than me, but like my idol. I haven't read the whole magazine yet. I for sure will be reading every inch of this. This is so funny. I do wanna see what the posters are. That's like the first thing I wanna look at. My next goal would be to be in this magazine again, but like as an actor, I think. The thing is, I still eat this up. I may be 25, but I'm still eating up every little bit of this magazine. Okay, so we have Sean. There's like some small posters and some big ones. Oh my gosh, there's a Riverdale poster. There's a lot of Billy posters. I, funny enough, have been listening to her music non-stop, especially her song she made for Barbie. Jonas Brothers. Like, this is so crazy that I would read this as a kid with Jonas Brothers and like I'm still reading it and they're still in it. Like, that is so crazy. Timothy Chalamet, Meg Donnelly, a queen. It says Real Girl Emily. Like, first, I did read this magazine. I am a real girl. And I am living the Disney dream. Oh my gosh. I'll show you the photos. That's from my DCP. That one I took a few months ago. I love that photo. I need to post it, honestly. I haven't even posted it yet. But I took that in Disneyland. That's from when I had my little t-shirt collection. That's from Disneyland. Same trip. From my first sleepover series. And then from my socks. Y'all remember the socks? I like don't love my face in this photo, but I love the photo. I think it's just so cute, very me. It was a very 2019 photo. Cute little photo shoot. Oh, I love that the Mickey balloon is like popping out, like it's cute. Little Jessie. I love this, one of my favorite photos I've ever taken at Disney, walking with Jessie. And then my DCP photo. So yeah, I'm in a magazine. Ain't no thing. I need to like display it. Probably not in my kitchen. Oh, I know. I can display it on my piano. That works for me. I've been watching The Summer I Turned Pretty. I finally started it and I'm on episode 7 now. Okay, for the first few episodes, can I say I was team Cam Cameron. I feel like that's my type. I always go for the Cam Camerons, but I'm team Cam Cameron. However, I am now on episode 7 in love with Conrad Fisher. Jeremiah is beautiful, but like, I think I'm out of Conrad and Jeremiah, I think I'm team Conrad. But the show got really sad and I was not expecting that. So like low-key I had to turn it off. Like I was gonna watch it while I do my hair, but I can't do that right now. I can't handle it. Because everybody just found out that everybody knew. Not everybody, anyways. Oh, I should listen to early 2000s music. My goal for tonight is to dress exactly how I would think the coolest person would dress back when I was in elementary school. Which I think to me would be like Sharpay. That was like the coolest person that I could think of. Okay. Here's the look. I feel really silly right now. I love dressing up. I think it's so fun. Like I love a good themed night. Happy Remy Day. Today is the very first day of the Epcot International Food and Wine Festival 2023 and I'm so happy to be here today. But the first thing we're going to do is we're gonna go try and find Miss Daisy Duck because she is dressed in a little food and wine outfit and I think she only has one more set. So we're gonna power walk to go find her because I really want to meet her. That's like #1 thing on the to-do list for today. So let's go. I don't even know where she meets. I think she meets in the International Gateway. Oh, like by France. Okay, we're gonna actually have to power walk. I was thinking it was like in the beginning of the World Showcase. No, we're power walking. Did you make it or did Minnie help you make it? You made it? Oh, queen, slay, slay. You sewed everything? Dude, it looks so good. Okay, yay, we met Daisy. She was so cute. Let's see, what did I ask her? I think I asked her if she made her dress or if Minnie helped sew it, because I know a lot of times Minnie like makes all the outfits, and she said she sewed it all herself, and I was like, okay, slay. And then as I was leaving, they asked me what pie Daisy should make, because she had like a little pie on her apron and she's been making pies apparently. And so I said, well, even though it's not fall technically, I think you should make a pumpkin pie. So maybe she's gonna make a little pumpkin pie. But that was so fun. I'm so glad I got to meet her. We got a cute little 0.5, but the weather is so gorgeous. So I'm hoping to be here just the rest of the day and kind of see what we get up to. I really don't have an agenda. Like, meeting Daisy was number one. So yeah. I've never seen this area empty before. I don't know if it's supposed to be or not, but that's crazy. I ended up just catching up with my friend, and that was fun. And I did go to the fry basket, and I didn't vlog it, but I did try the fry flight. It's the exact same thing as last year, so nothing crazy. It is time to try the first official thing, and that is the frozen fusion, which you can find at the Brewing Odyssey, which is right over here. But they also have this thing called the pickle milkshake, which I did not get because that does not sound good to me, and I don't like pickles. But this did sound really good. So it's just like a little frozen slushie, which in the heat is like the most perfect treat ever. So let's try it. I like it. It's like, actually doesn't have that much flavor, but I mainly got it honestly because of the cup, because it says food and wine, and this is the only coffee cup that I use for coffee that I don't have. I don't have the food and wine cup, and so now I have it. I also got the little passport. They didn't have them in the front of Epcot, so let's see. Let's take a little squeak peek at the book. Here's the merch. I kind of forgot that a lot of the booths are actually closed. Like Hawaii is closed, which is one of my favorite booths. I don't think they brought back the Mac and Eats booth, which is like mac and cheese, which was my favorite booth. And then they also have, I think, 4 new booths this year, and they're all in honor of Disney 100, but those aren't open yet. So it's kind of like, we're just getting a little taste of Epcot. Hopefully you can't hear the band. I don't know. You probably can, but hopefully you can hear me too. I don't know. I'm in Japan, and I got the teriyaki chicken bun, which is one of my favorites. And then I also got this really spicy roll. It's called the fire something roll, but I'm very excited to try it. Let's try this first. Okay, I'm gonna try the spicy roll. I'm very nervous. Let's try it. It's spicy, but it's not horrible. Actually, that wasn't bad. I was freaking out over nothing. It's not like my favorite kind of roll, because I don't really like spicy tuna. I'm more of a salmon girl, but like, it's interesting. It's the finale show thing. Okay, we're gonna head out.